Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and may have revised the previously learned topics. So now, our today's topic is circuit. Fig. 5 shows a closed circuit. It consists of a cell, power source, a bulb, and connecting wires. In an electric circuit, the electric current flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. An electric circuit provides a complete path for electricity to flow between cell and the bulb. A similar circuit exists for an electric bulb which we use in our houses. The two electric supply wires are connected to the two terminals of the bulb through a switch. When the switch is closed, put on, the circuit provides complete path for electricity. Many times in our houses we observe that though electricity is available, some bulbs glow and some don't glow. The bulbs which don't glow are said to be fused. If we connect a fused bulb in a circuit, the circuit remains open and there is no closed path for the flow of electricity. Hence the bulb doesn't glow. Switch. We use switches to put on or put off the torchlight. Similarly, we use various switches in our house to put on or put off the electric bulbs, tubes, fans, etc. Electric switch. Connect the circuit on a wooden plank or on a thermocol sheet as shown in Fig. 6. Insert two drawing pins at A and B. Insert a safety pin in between A and B, such that one end of the pin is completely in contact with B and the other end is left free. Now observe the bulb. In the above activity, the safety pin is used to close-open the circuit. Electric switch is an arrangement to close or open, break, a circuit. The switch allows the flow of electricity when it is on and cuts off the flow of electricity when it is off. In this way, the switch is used to stop the flow of electricity to the bulb or any other electrical device. The flow of electricity in a circuit is called current. Italian biologist Luigi Galvani, 1737 to 1798, touched two pieces of metal to a dead frog's leg and made it jump. This led him to believe electricity is made inside animals' bodies. Thanks for watching.